everybody, Zach here. It's been a while. I had to take the dust off a little bit. I haven't done one of these video blogs in quite a while, but we are out in one of the GLRI fields. This is Dave Simon's field. It is in corn grain, and he's going to be out combining, which means this will be put into cover crops very shortly, and a manure application either this fall or sometime in the spring. So I'm going to get the drone out and going to get some footage and come back to this in a bit.
Awesome. You go to Jim and Linda's or Fish Taking the Catch? Aw, there you go. You are the best. You talk about the best brother ever.